2016 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1 for sale in Auburn, New Hampshire 03032. Spread your wings and fly with this 2016 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1. This Class A motorhome is 25.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with a 5-speed TorqShift transmission. This RV has one slide-out, one awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 5 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, and captain's chairs. With only 37,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Thor Motor Coach will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with 3-burner stove and large microwave/convection oven refrigerator/ freezer-large kitchen, SinkDinetteThree televisions, ThroughoutSurround, SoundCD/StereoSofa, SleeperChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster, king-size bed, full-size master closet/ dresser, air conditioning unit, lots and lots of storage inside it, OutOnan backup generator, and so much more. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Thor Motor Coach is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2016 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1.